evening and welcome back to the next Celica video, my 1991 Toyota Celica GT. And in this video we're going to change the fuel filter to see if that helps it run any better. So this is my new filter that I got, cross-and fuel filter that I got from Euro Car Parts. I can put a link in the description. We'll just have a look here, there we go. There's our fuel filter. And hopefully in the box should be some crush washers. Yeah, which we have there. Which are very important. I'll just take you over to the car. I don't know how well you can see this in this light, but there's the top of the fuel filter. That's a banjo fitting. So either side of the fitting there's a crush washer. So we need to take a fitting off. There's one at the bottom as well. And I think there's the bracket as well that needs loosening. So what I'll do is I'll get that off. I won't be able to show you this from up above because it's a bit of an awkward angle. So we'll start taking this old fuel filter out. Right, I've managed to get the top one off, and there's the hose. And I've put the bowl over here and kept the washers with it, the crush washers. Then I know which ones to put on. Now this bottom one is just a bit awkward to get to, but I can get in through where the steering rack comes. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll try to show it as best I can. So I just need to get in from underneath, so I'll do that off camera. So I'm sorry if you can't see it too well. Right, I'll try to get this bottom one down, just give it a douse with the penetrating fluid and we'll see how we go. So that's the old filter off. So fitting the new one is basically going to be the reverse of taking it out. It's just a bit awkward to get under there, but I managed to get a couple of spanners in, and once it cracked off it'd come off quite easily. So I'll get this filter fitted and we'll see how we go from here. Well, that's the new fuel filter fitted and it's all buttoned up. So we'll turn on the ignition to make sure it's not leaking, and there's new crush washers on that banjo joint. So let's get this, we'll turn the ignition on, see if it pressures up. When it pressures up, see what happens. Well, the good news is there's no leaks, so that's a success. So I'll get the wheel back on, get it back down on all four wheels, and then we'll take it for a road test to see if this new fuel filter's made any difference. Unfortunately, the test drive wasn't a success. The problem's still there. It's still losing power at lower revs, between 1000 and 2000. It seems to pick up about 3000. And I did try a bit of an Italian tune-up as well, but that highlighted another problem with this car: slipping clutch. So it looks like I'm going to have to change the clutch as well at some point. So more work, but it's more content for the channel. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and click that notification bell. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.